traveled the world playing death ball. And now, I'm back. Guess who's back, back again? Colt's back. Tell your friend.
I've been working in the force for about 23 days now. The Vice President of Columbia, South Carolina has given me the authority to look over all teenage activity in the city of Columbia. It's quite a hassle. We've been having a problem in the Old Woodlands area. We got these two kids, Cole McCarter and Bradley Hollingsworth, keep on looking through people's trash and creeping out the neighbors. It's basically we're about to go put out some trash and see if we can get those two buggers to come in and catch them with the ball of justice. So, alright. We're right near where we're putting this trash down. A few seconds here. We're gonna we got a lot of goodies in there, stuff they kind of like. We got like jelly beans and a bunch of newspaper and stuff. So we're about to go see what's going on here. We got a couple neighbors that are really good participants in catching these hooligans. So hopefully we can get something going here. Let's see what we got. Exhibit A, trash, bread, jelly beans. We're gonna put this out and make it look natural, like some real trash. Okay, they should like that. Alright, good stuff. We just got a call from the participating neighbors that the hooligans have got into the trash, and we're gonna go and see what we can do about it. I have a weird way of dealing with these teenagers because obviously I can't shoot them. So I use the ball of justice on them. It's this ball I won in a tournament a long time ago. It's called death ball. They play it a lot in Vietnam and places basically where everything's illegal. It's pretty deadly. Basically, it's dodgeball in a shorter area, and the losing team gets executed. But obviously my team won, and I'm here. And basically now, if I see some teenager fouling up in the neighborhood, I take this ball and I throw it as hard as I can, and if it kills him, it kills him. So we're about to go see. I'm definitely aiming for Bradley first because he's notorious around these parts for being a real bad kid. So we're about to go out there and throw down. It's a dire moment. I've been trying to chase these kids down for the past couple weeks. All they do is take trash, creeping people out. It's weird. I don't really. I mean, when I was a kid, I did some weird things, but I did not put my hands in other people's trash. So we're going. All right, so we're coming up on them right now. I can see them. I don't think we're going stealth mode on right now. We're like ninjas. They can't see us. We're about to park real quick and put up the brights and see if we can get a little deer in the headlights look on them. Okay. Alright, so we found Bradley. We caught him. I beat him down pretty good with the death ball. But Cole got away. He's a slippery one. So we put a $300 warrant out for him. A little prize money if you catch him. But this is Bradley. He's not the smartest one, that's for sure. But basically, if you see Cole McCarter, you can tweet at me, Bradley. You can tweet at me. I got Twitter. It's Officer Colt. So just get on the computer and give me a little tweet.
Bad boy, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. voices. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8.
We got a kitty cat here, seems to be, disturbing the peace. Where the hell's the door here?